a glowing thread of mystery. Their voices hum a silver breeze, a whisper soft through ancient trees. Angels rise, angels sing, guardians of everything. Feel the light, feel the glow. They are here. You will know. Their hands unseen, they guide the streams through darkest night, through fragile dream. A thousand stars reflect their grace. In every heart they leave their trace. Close your eyes, feel their care.